world is split up into continents. There are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Hello, welcome to Assembly. I love the solar system and I killed. Who is next? Earth is one of the planets in our solar system. We live on Earth. Our Earth is made up of land and water. Earth is split into continents. There are 7 continents. The biggest continent. We live in Asia. Australia is the smallest continent. Did you know the equator is an imaginary line that goes around the middle of the Earth? The equator's hot. This is Thailand. Thailand is hot. It is near the equator, that's why it's hot. I used to live in Europe, and here's the picture of me in the snow, and I am in the wind. I went to Switzerland on holiday. I went to London. London is in Europe. I went to Europe when I was little, and it's a bit cold. When I was little, I lived in Australia. We like to learn and play. I use the blocks to make the continent. I labeled the continents on the whiteboard. I order continents by size. I play with the animal. I play with the animal and I talk where they live. I know to use Google Earth. Our characters release imagination. We read a book about this. It's not a thing. This is not a stick, this is a saw. This is not a stick, this is the carrot. This is not a stick, this is a magic wand. This is not a stick, this is the drumstick. This is not a stick, it's a carrot. This is not a stick, this is a saw. This is not a stick, it's a finger. This is not a stick, it's ice cream. This is not a stick, umbrella. This is not a stick, it's a cat. This is not a stick, it's a tooth. This is not a stick, it's a saw. This is not a stick, it's a flower. This is not a stick, it's a microphone. This is not a stick, it's a magic wand. This is not a stick, this is a fishing rod. This is not a stick, it's a saw. It's not a stick, it's a xylophone. This is not a stick, this is a balloon. This is not a stick, this is a knife.
Wow.
Asia, South
바이바이.
America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.